Hi guys, and welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to take an image off of Google and put it in DesignSpace. So let's just search for a dog silhouette SVG. A whole pile pops up, and what I'm going to do is up here at the top I'm just going to click on images so even more come up. And these are all the different images that came up. So now you just got to scroll through and find the one that you want. Oh, that one's cute. The face, I didn't see that. And which one am I going to pick? Let me see. I think, oh, look at that one. That one is so cute. I'm going to pick that one. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the picture, and then you're going to right click on the picture and click Save As. And then save this to someplace on your computer where you're going to be able to find it. Now let's go back into DesignSpace. And this is your design mat. So let's go to Upload Images. Ignore the pattern fill for now. We'll work on that one later. Right now, just click on Upload Image. Browse and go find the image that you just saved, which is right here. It is a simple image, so I'm just going to click Simple, Continue, and there's my image. Now you can bring your picture in by just doing the plus, and you can, over here is what we need is the wand. So click on the wand and then go to your grayed out areas and click on that. These are the areas that you want cut out. I recommend bringing it in as far as you can so you can get these little spots at the nose and around the eyes. They're going to be more tricky because they're not a solid. So, oops, that's okay. Just push the back button, undo.
Let's go.
Down here is your preview button. I always click it to see how things are going. See what I mean by around the eyes? They're not a fluid or not an open source. So it's going to take a lot longer for me to clean up around the eyes. Now that I'm finished cleaning this up, I'm going to just minimize it. And yep, it looks good to me. All the little checkers are where I want them to be, so let's push continue. Now you can save it as a print, then cut, or you can save it as a cut. Don't panic if you save it as the wrong one, because you can always change it in DesignSpace later. So I am saving this as a cut file, and I am going to name it Puppy SVG, and I'm going to put some tags in. This just makes it easier to find in the future. Thank goodness for spell check. And okay, let's keep going. So now it's right there. So just click on it. And insert. And there it is, right on DesignSpace and ready for you to just size and go, and all done. All nice and clean. Looks like it's going to cut nicely. Let's go to make it and see. And oh yeah, this is going to work out great. So I do hope that this video has helped you with figuring out how to do a simple one-layer image from Google and taking it into DesignSpace, cleaning it up so that you can use it in your future projects. So anyways, guys, thank you for joining me. Please remember to like all of my videos and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on any future videos. Happy crafting, guys. Take care.